how you start the conversation can set you up for success. And that is this: hey, the reason why I'm excited about having this conversation is I have a few things that I want to cover about your move. Okay, but before we get started, what's the most important thing that you need to accomplish while we're talking here today? Boom. Well, I want to make sure that you guys are able to blah, 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 blah. When you say you want to make sure that we're able to blank, can you give me a specific example? You're going to suss out everything that they want to talk about, but you've already teed it up that you have some stuff that you want to cover. And if you do that and say, before we do that, though, what's the most important thing that you want to accomplish? They might list the stuff that you wanted to cover anyways, which now you're exponentially better off. Why? Because it was something that they wanted to cover, right? If they bring it up, it's gospel, it's important. If you say, I want to cover this, even if it was something that they wanted to cover too, they're less likely to lock into it. So the correct thing to say is, hey, I'm really excited for this meeting. I'm really excited for this conversation, Bruce. I've got some really great ideas that I want to share with you on the move. But before we get started, what's the most important thing that you need to accomplish while we're talking here today, right? And then let Bruce talk. It's just giving him an opportunity to jump in there.
Hey, Matt.
Yo.
What's the nicest thing you've done for salespeople?
The nicest thing I've done for salespeople, I think we should do it right now. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give them the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. You're going to cover the cost. It's coming out of your pocket. Heather's going to cover all the cost for you. I want you to click the link here. I will get you the closing mini masterclass. You're going to close more deals. You're going to make more money. You're going to have more fun. Things are going to be great for you. And she's picking up the tab. You're welcome. She's picking up the tab. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.